The Aurora D8 aircraft has several notable features. It is almost 65 meters long and has a wingspan of over 100 meters. Let's start from the bottom. The bottom section contains the water tanks, cargo storage, and landing gear. The water tanks are connected to washrooms throughout the plane by a network of pipes. The landing gear is one of the most complex parts in the plane, as it is made to hold the entire weight of the plane. The landing gear works with multiple parts to control the movement. Some of the parts in the landing gear include the drag brace, the retraction actuator, hydraulic pistons, shock absorbers, wire beads, and wheel castings. The first floor of the plane contains seating for 456 economy class passengers. Each chair is fully reclinable with 2 armrests and features a folding table mounted on the back. There are 14 washrooms on the first floor. Storage for carry-on baggage is available in overhead bins. The walls of the bins are padded to protect baggage if it shifts inside of the bin. The upper floor has 54 individual rooms for first-class passengers. Each room has a window along its entire length. In each room is a comfortable chair for the passenger. There are also 6 larger washrooms on this floor and 4 exit doors. Each room also has one of these beds, which has 3 drawers for the passenger's baggage. For entertainment, there is also a TV with Netflix. Power is supplied through electrical boxes placed throughout the plane. Power is supplied to the boxes by alternators in the engines. These boxes are independent from each other, allowing power to stay on even in the event of a failure. Extra thrust is provided by 2 smaller engines at the back of the plane. Inside the tail is a small kitchen that provides food for passengers and crew. Food is stored in a freezer unit. This freezer is able to store enough food for passengers and crew. Each wing is 48 meters long and has multiple flaps that can be adjusted individually to allow complete control over the plane. This plane has 4 of these engines under its wings, which generate a combined 29,000 pounds of thrust. This allows the plane to have a maximum speed of 937 kilometers an hour or 582 miles an hour. The blades of these fans spin at 3,000 RPM, causing them to reach up to 1,000 miles an hour. The plane is controlled from the cockpit at the front of the plane. Inside is seating for 2 pilots and several control surfaces that allow them to guide the plane during the flight. There is also several control screens that feed vital information to the pilots. There is a backup power supply in the cockpit that ensures control will be maintained during an emergency.